Learning idioms and phrasal verbs can feel like cracking a secret code. They're everywhere in English, and mastering them can really elevate your language skills. So let's dive into some effective tips and tricks to make this journey enjoyable and productive. First, immerse yourself in the language. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Watch movies, listen to podcasts, or read books. Pay attention to how idioms and phrasal verbs are used in context. When you hear phrases like kick the bucket or hit the nail on the head, try to understand their meanings through the situation. Context is your best friend here. Next, keep a dedicated notebook or digital document for idioms and phrasal verbs. Write down new expressions you encounter, along with their meanings and example sentences. This will not only help you remember them, but also give you a personalized resource to refer back to. You can even categorize them by themes, like emotions or everyday activities, which makes it easier to recall them when you need to. Another effective technique is to create flashcards. On one side, write the idiom or phrasal verb, and on the other, its meaning and an example sentence. You can use physical cards or apps like Anki or Quizlet. Regularly review these cards and challenge yourself to use the expressions in your conversations. This active recall will reinforce your memory. Practice makes perfect, so don't shy away from using idioms and phrasal verbs in your speech and writing. Start small. Try to incorporate one or two into your daily conversations. If you're writing an email or a social media post, think about how you can sprinkle in some of these expressions. The more you use them, the more natural they'll feel. Engaging with others can also enhance your learning. Join language exchange groups or online forums where you can practice with native speakers. They can provide real-time feedback and share idioms that are commonly used in their regions. Plus, it's a great way to learn about cultural nuances that come with these expressions. Another fun method is to play games. There are plenty of online quizzes and apps designed to help you learn idioms and phrasal verbs in a playful way. You could also create your own games with friends, like charades or Pictionary, where you act out or draw idioms. This not only makes learning fun, but also helps solidify your understanding. Lastly, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learning a language is a process, and everyone stumbles along the way. Embrace those moments as opportunities to learn. If you use an idiom incorrectly, laugh it off and ask for clarification. This will not only help you remember the correct usage, but also build your confidence. So, immerse yourself, keep a record, practice regularly, engage with others, play games, and embrace mistakes. With these strategies, you'll find that idioms and phrasal verbs become a natural part of your English vocabulary. Happy learning!